Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Electromech Solutions. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with others and press bell icon for further notification. And I hope you will like this video. Let's start today's video. Today's video is about diode types, its application and test. Introduction of diode. Diode is an electric device which allows current to flow in one direction. The voltage applied to the semiconductor diode is referred to as bias voltage. There are two types of bias voltage: forward bias, reverse bias. Forward bias, positive terminal of the battery is connected with P type, negative terminal of battery is connected with N type. During forward bias, maximum current flow through diode. The depletion layer is small in forward bias PN junction. In reverse bias, positive terminal of battery is connected with N type, negative terminal of battery is connected with P type. During reverse bias, minor current flow through diode. The depletion layer is large in reverse bias PN junction. This is the kind of diodes: signal diode, light emitting diode, LED, IR LEDs, photodiodes, transient voltage suppression diodes, Zener diode, constant current diode, Schottky diode, Shockley diode, step recovery diodes, super barrier diode, tunnel diode, vector diode, pin diodes, laser diode, vacuum diode, gun diode, crystal diode, avalanche diode, silicon control rectifier, peltide diodes. Application of diode, half wave rectifier. When you give the input of AC volt during first half cycle forward bias, the diode closed circuit and you can see the flow of current. You will get the output as a DC, and the remaining half cycle you will not get any output. Center tape full wave rectifier. During positive half cycle, diode 1 forward bias closed circuit. As you can see, you will get the output. And during negative half cycle, as you can see, diode 1 reverse bias open circuit, and the current will flow at that time. D2 forward bias closed circuit, as you can see. Next application, bridge full wave rectifier. You can see input AC signal during positive half cycle. D1 forward bias closed circuit, D2 forward bias closed circuit, that is green, and you can see the output. Meanwhile, D3 and D4 reverse bias open circuit. No current will flow through D3 and D4. During negative half cycle, D3 and D4 forward bias closed circuit, the green, and the D1 and D2 reverse bias open circuit. So no current will flow through the pink, and the current will flow through the green, and you will get the other half cycle as a output, DC output, pulsating DC, not a stable DC. Diode test. You need meter, digital meter to set on diode range. When you will check the forward bias, you need to connect the meter. Forward bias diode measures about 500 ohm to 1 kilo ohm. You need to connect your red probe to the positive terminal of the diode and black one negative terminal. And when you will check in reverse bias, you need to connect your meter. Black lead to the positive side of the diode and red one to the negative side of the diode. In reverse bias, the diode measures infinity, as you can see in figure 2. The black figures shows us diode is forward biased by ohm meter shows 0 ohms of resistance. If you will check the resistance you have to connect as a forward bias, you will see the zero resistance means short circuit. On the other hand, you can see the diode in reverse bias when you will connect the positive terminal to the negative side of the diode and negative terminal of meter to the positive side of the diode. Diode is reverse biased by ohm meter shows infinite resistance. Please watch the complete video. Don't skip the video. Let's start the practical. Friends, as you know, today our topic is how to test a diode and function of diode. We have a circuit and some diodes outside. Diodes has different size according to its current ratio. First of all, we need to check the diode. We need any meter, digital multimeter or analog meter. We have a digital multimeter. We need to select the knob of the digital meter at the diode position. This is the symbol of diode, and you can see, and the buzzer, you can say the continuity position also. So this position gives us the continuity of anything. As we can check the continuity of our props. You can hear the sound. Our props are now connected properly. This is the diode of 10 ampere. The bar side shows that the negative side, that is called cathode, and the other side is called anode, that is positive. Every diode has the marking with the bar negative side and the other side positive. So when we will connect the meter negative towards the bar side and positive towards the other side, then we can observe the meter. You can see the meter is telling us 355 ohm resistance. It has some resistance. Every diode has some resistance. So this is called the forward bias. When we will connect in the reverse bias, it will tell us the off position. The circuit is off, the path is off. As you can see, there is no change. One means infinity. So in this position, you can say it is behave like a switch. In one direction it is closed, and in other direction, opposite direction, it will behave as a open switch or open circuit. So every diode you can check with the same method. This is forward bias, and this is reverse bias, means switch off. So these diodes are in the circuit. We can check in the same procedure. Basically, this is the bridge circuit to make the AC into DC. So this one is first diode. This side is negative, this positive, as you can see. When we connected properly, you can see the resistance. This is forward bias, and when we will connect it in reverse bias, there will be nothing. This is forward bias because the bar is on the negative side and on the black side. This is reverse bias. This is forward bias. This is reverse bias. But in the circuit, it can be behaved differently because these diodes are connected parallel or in series with the other component also. So the method is the same as you saw. Reverse bias, forward bias. So I think friends, you can understand how to check the diodes with the meter. Thanks for watching. Like our video, share this video with others, and press bell icon for further notification. Best of luck.